Hey guys, Soul Closet here, back making another Minecraft tutorial. I've seen, well, not a lot, but I've seen some comments, a good number of them, saying that I should do a tutorial on how to install the Mo Creatures mod for Minecraft 1. Well, actually, no one specifies a version. It's, 1.7.4 is our newest version of Minecraft. This mod is up to date with 1.7.2, and because of the way that the launcher's implemented, that's, not a hard version to play. No extra downloading required. Probably. Disclaimer, if you've never played Minecraft 1.7.2 before, which you probably have, but if you haven't, like you got it in the last month or so, then you're going to want to go and play with that version. I'll put some text that tells you how to do that. So, with that said, let's get right on to the tutorial. So, these links will be in the description of the video, and you're going to want to go to the first one. So, link 1, open that up in whatever browser, and you should see this page. It should say Dr. Jark's Mo Creatures mod, v6.2.0, dev, and then R2 if you mouse over it. Click download. It shouldn't take too long, depending on your internet speed. So I'm going to wait for this to end downloading. And when it's done, then you want to go to link 2, which should be the custom spawners mod. Same kind of deal. Custom mob spawner 3.2.0-dev-r2. If you see a different version of any of these, that means I've updated the links, and it'll say updated links in the description if I do that. So just let me know if there's a newer version out, because I don't keep up to date with many mods. Let me know if there's a newer version out, and the tutorial should work the exact same. I'll do the testing, and you guys will be on the good side of this. For right now, these are the newest versions. So then go to the third link in the description, and, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I accidentally typed an extra S into the installer text in the link, but it works just fine. So go to link 3 in the description, and it'll come up down here if you're on Chrome. If not, do whatever it is that you need to do to save the program, or to save the file. You don't want to run it, you don't want to open it, you just want to save it. On Chrome, it'll show up down here and it'll say this type of file can harm your computer. It's not malicious, no virus is found. If you have a virus after this, that's on you, because I took away the ad website, like I had in my last tutorial, so that you guys wouldn't have to deal with the potentially virusy ads. But none of the files that I'm giving you through these links are bad for your computer. So if anything bad happens, don't blame it on me or the developers of these mods. Anyway, so Forge 1.7.2, dash 10.120.10 ... whatever jar, something like that. You should have that, and you should have custom mob spawner, and you should have Dr. Jark's Mo Creatures. And if you pin this to the side, you should be able to, in Chrome, go to the bottom and click Show in Folder. If you're not in Chrome, just go to your start menu. Now I'm on Windows 8, so I might have a different start menu view, but whatever it is, search downloads. And as long as you're on Windows Vista 7 or 8, it should bring up this, and those 3 files should be there. Custom Mob Spawner 3.2.0 Dev R2. Again, you might have a newer version by the time you see this. And that's a .zip, as you can see. Dr. Jark's Mo Creatures mod version, right now, 6.2.0-dev-r2, zip file. And Forge-1.7.2-10.12.0.1012-installer. You might have a newer one, and that's an executable jar file or a .jar. Move all 3 of those to your desktop, and then what you want to do, you can close out of your web browser, and you should have all these on your desktop. The first thing you want to do is go to the Minecraft launcher. I'm showing you guys how to do what I said before, so that there's no confusion. And if you have a profile called 1.7.2, great. If you don't, click New Profile in the corner of the launcher, and when it says Use Version, select Release 1.7.2. Okay? Save that profile. I'm actually going to delete that one. but you're going to want to save that profile and run it. And Minecraft should open in version 1.7.2. And as long as it says that down there, Minecraft opens just fine. You can X out, and then you want to open up the jar file. Now, you might not see the Java logo right there. If you don't see the Java logo right there, then that means that you don't have jar files pinned to open with Java. That's okay. Still recording? Yeah. Still getting my audio? Yep. And we're back. So you should be able to right-click it and open or open with. Click open with, and if you don't see Java TM Platform SE binary, then go to choose default program, and it should show up under more options, or whatever it says on Windows 7. You can do this on any version of Windows. It just looks different because I'm on Windows 8. But you should be able to find Java TM Platform SE binary. You want to open it with that, and you should see this. It'll say Mod System Installer, Minecraft Forge, welcome to the Simple Forge Installer, and there will be 3 little check dots, or check boxes. Install client, install server, and extract. You want to install client and leave the default folder, and then you want to click OK. It should say successfully installed client profile Forge for version Forge, and that version will be different depending on when you watch this tutorial. There might be required libraries. That number doesn't matter as long as it's complete and it worked. So click OK. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to the Minecraft launcher. Now this is very important, because if you don't run it right here before you put the mods in, it'll totally break. What you want to do is you want to go to New Profile, and this is going to be your profile that you play the mod on, so you might want to name it Mo Creatures. I already have one called Mo Creatures, so I'm going to call it Mo Creatures Video. Oh, oops. Okay, but you can call it whatever you want. It doesn't have to be called anything. There's no renaming like there used to be. Now, name it whatever you want. Leave all these checkboxes exactly how they are. But when it says use version, you should see at the very bottom, or maybe somewhere in the middle, but it should be at the bottom, release 1.7.2 Forge, and then the number of your version. Right now, as of when I upload this is the newest version. So, in any case, you should see release 1.7.2 Forge, and then some numbers. When you see that, select it, and click Save Profile. Then, under Profile, select the profile that you just made, Mo Creatures Video in my case, and click Play. Now this isn't going to have Mo Creatures yet, because we haven't put the mod in yet, but it will have Forge, and it's important that you run Forge before you put any mods into it, or else it'll break. Now you should see the mods button on your home page. You should see all this text in the bottom left corner, and if you click on mods, you should see these 3 things: MCP, FML, and Minecraft Forge. So once you see those, you can just quit the game. You don't need to run a world or anything. Totally fine. And now, you're going to want to click Windows key and R at the same time. So, there you go. And that should bring up this little box called Run. If you've never seen it before, basically it's kind of like a direct way to get somewhere on your computer without going through some clicks. It's kind of like typing stuff in. That sounds complicated, but it's really not. Just type in %, APPDATA, or app data, and then another %. Click enter, or click OK or press enter, and you should see all these. All of these don't matter. You do want to go to the one called .minecraft. Now, if for whatever reason you have one that's called Minecraft without a dot, you shouldn't, but if you do, that's not what you want. You want .minecraft. Open that up, you should see assets, bin, config, libraries, logs, resource packs. You might see mods. In fact, you should see mods because we just installed Forge, derp. If you don't see mods, since you just installed Forge, as long as you've been following the steps, you can create your own mods folder and it should work just the same. I haven't done this because I've never run into that problem. However, I've heard from other people in the comments of my videos that it totally works out. So just drag Dr. Zhark's Mo Creatures mod version whatever and custom mob spawner version whatever into the mods folder. Do not open them up and drag the contents in. That's bad. Don't do that. Okay? You just want to drag the whole zip file. You don't even need a zip opener. Now, I have a zip opener, obviously, but you don't need one. Once this is done, close mods, and open the Minecraft launcher again. And once it loads up, you should be able to select your new Mo Creatures profile you made, click play, and when it loads, okay, you should see 5 mods installed: Custom Spawner and Mo Creatures mod. And if you go to a world, in this case I'm going to go to my mod testing world, you should see, now I already spawned these crabs when I was testing it for the video. However, if you open up your inventory, you should see there are 2 tabs now. One of them is called Mo Creatures. And if you go to your miscellaneous, there are lots of new spawn eggs. That's how you know that you did it right. Here, let's make a bunch of bees. That sounds fun. I wonder if we can make dinosaurs. Oh, speaking of dinosaurs, I cannot confirm that this mod works at the same time as the Fossil and Archaeology mod. However, if you guys test it out and it works, using the install methods from this video and my previous video, let me know, and I'll put that in the description, and I'll credit you. So, thank you guys for putting in the time to help me out. But that's all for today, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like. If it's your favorite, don't forget to favorite. Don't forget to make yourself a sandwich, and I will see you guys next time. Soul Closet out.